What's up, guys? Finally back on the vlog. Sorry it took a good minute to get you guys some videos on the YouTube channel, but we are back and we're doing much better. And it is Thursday, a hot Thursday morning. I'm actually going to be meeting up with a customer from OfferUp. His name's Ryan. Thank you, Ryan, for supporting us. And he was interested in the 98 to 02 Honda Accord 2.3 intake that you see right here. It also fits the 97 to 2001 Honda Prelude 2.2 liter model. So I have the intake right here. I wanted to show you guys. I'll take this out while I hold the phone, guys. Sorry I don't have a tripod or something for the phone. But yeah, here's the pipe. Here's the intake pipe, as you see here. Here is the filter. Very nice. Just wanted to at least show you guys what we have featured on our OfferUp. So here is the filter. It's a blue one. Whatever's available, we may have red or blue like you see here. And here's the hardware that comes with the air intake. This is the cold air intake kit for the 98 to 02 Honda Accord 2.3 liter model, and also fits the 97 to 2001 Honda Prelude 2.2 liter model. And it's for the L4, so whatever pertains to Honda, it pertains to the L4 type. So yeah, this is the cold air intake that Ryan is coming to get today on this Thursday, this hot Thursday morning. This fits for both manual and automatic transmissions, so just to let you guys know. So if you guys are interested, let us know. We have a few available, so hit us up when you can, and we'll make sure to put one on hold for you. And again, appreciate Ryan for supporting us. And we also have here, he's also coming to pick up second, guys. Ryan's also going to be picking up a pair of Honda Accord Foglights. We have this pair of Foglights available, and he's going to be picking these up as well with the intake. So I'm going to open this up for you guys. Sorry, I'm trying to do this while I'm holding the phone. Oh no, okay, it's almost there. So I want to unbox it. So we're going to unbox these JDM Accord Foglights. This one's for the 03, I believe it's 03, 07 Honda Accord. It's the 03 to 07 Honda Accord Foglights for the sedan model. So I've seen actually that you can actually make these fit also on the 98 to 02 model Honda Accord, either the sedan or coupe. So you can actually make them fit. It just takes you need to slightly do some modifications to the bumper. But I believe there is a few videos out there. Maybe you think I came across one. I forgot who the guy was, but there is one on YouTube you guys should check out. If I do happen to find the link, I'll put it in the description box. But if I plan on doing it too, I'll let you guys know. I'll do a video on that as well. But yeah, I wanted to show you this. So here's the Foglights, and you guys have seen before. We did an install of it, and you can check out the way we had to fabricate the bumper to make sure that these Foglights would fit. So this is the right side. So I'm holding it the wrong way, am I? Oh. That's the right way. Yeah, right. Yeah, this way. Yeah. This is the right side. So this is the right side. And it comes with like a halogen bulb already with the fog light. And here is the left side. So this is the left side, as you can see. Comes with the halogen bulb. And here's all this is the wiring, relays. It also comes with the button. That's the button right there. So you have all the necessary wiring connector plugs you need for the install. And there's the left and the right. So this is what you would be receiving if you ordered these and purchased these from us. So this is what you'll be getting for the 03 to 07, I believe. It's the 0307 Honda Accord sedan. However, these will fit if you modify the bumper. These will fit the 98 to 02 Accords as well. So, which I'm thinking maybe Ryan's planning to do that because he's getting the air intake. It's for the 98 to 02 model, so he's probably going to try to make these fit, or he has an 03 sedan. So, but yeah, we have these here. They're available. Let us know. We only have a certain amount available on hand at the moment. So if you guys wish to get these, get them as soon as possible. Message us in the comment section below, or just contact us through our social media platforms. You can message us through there, direct message, email us. We'll gladly help you. But yeah, these are the fog lights, and big shout outs to Ryan again. Ryan, thank you so much for supporting us. Appreciate it. And we're looking forward to seeing these products on your car. And stay tuned, guys, for the next featured product on OfferUp. And yes, we're finally back on providing more videos for you guys. So we appreciate your patience. And thank you guys again for all of your support. And stay tuned for the next video. Peace.